Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ACE, Fusionist, Endurance, whatever you want to call it. All right, ACE is to dive into some technical details. ACE is the main token of the Endurance blockchain, or it's a side chain, I believe. And Fusionist is a game built on that. And ACE also works in that game. I think it has some utility. But that's what you need to know. But the most important things is that this is a Binance launch pool project, which historically, and we looked at that yesterday as well. Today I'm not going to do that, but historically they've performed very well. And it's also kind of in the GameFi sector of crypto, right? So that those are two major things that make it have potential, and why I will probably buy this at some point of time. I'm not sure right now. I mean, I feel like for a new project like this, a market cap of almost $300 million is a bit high. All right, that's what I feel like. But I mean, if it breaks above $15 here, which I think is the main resistance, and we'll talk about that later too. If it breaks above that level here, I will still buy. All right, it's not going to matter, the market cap, because these launch pool projects, they just tend to rally at some point of time. So be ready for that. All right. Now, at this moment, before looking at the technicals, they launched futures on almost all major exchanges yesterday, and since then the open interest has gone up a lot. All right, and it's still going up. Here you can see it. This is the last day, has gone up from about 7 million to where it is right now at 38 million. And right here, I think it was listed on most exchanges, up from 26 to 38. So that's still a major increase of about 50%. That's amazing. That's kind of the same as what we saw with JTO. So the big question is well, what's next? All right, because the markets right now, I mean, they're fairly bullish. I mean, we got some bullish momentum yesterday in the afternoon, which we actually, this was that bullish momentum for ACE. So it's not that correlated, which is great. All right, because if it's not correlated, then we can still rally even if Bitcoin falls down. All right, so the big question right now is what's next? I think purely technically we're actually in some sort of a consolidation. There's this a consolidation. Look, when a crypto is new, it reacts a lot to psychological levels and to Fibonacci levels. So that's what it will probably respect now as well. I would say we're not getting that big moves right now. I don't think there's that much momentum in the price of ACE. But purely technically, what we're waiting for is a breakout. All right, and I will, if you take a look at the structure right now, we're just in this level between $12.5 and $15. And if ACE breaks above $15, I will buy. All right, I'm not going to short ACE. That's too risky in my eyes. So it's just waiting. As a trader, you're waiting for a bullish breakout. Maybe if it breaks above $14, that's already enough. So that's the middle of this range. So if it does that, it's quite likely it will rally up to $15. So you can already take some profits there. And there's always a chance that it breaks out. So maybe $14 break is already enough. A $15 break is definitely enough. Or definitely, there's no guarantees in crypto. But then at least I will buy. So it's waiting for that. And right now, it's just, I cannot really tell you when that's going to happen or if that's going to happen. Because if we get more bearish momentum today and ACE drops down towards 12.5 and we break down below 12.5, we're going to fall. All right, we're going to fall down towards, well, probably around, well, no, 10 seems a bit far, but probably $11. All right, $11, 10.5, that whole area. That's a possibility too. So it's waiting for that breakout first. And let's look, if we break above $15, great, price will go up. If we break down below 12.5, we'll drop down. But then at some point of time, from a support level, we're still going to get a bullish breakout. For example, if ACE breaks above 12.5, we'll still rally from there. All right, so it doesn't really matter to me, at least, if it drops down now. I will just buy after we get a bullish breakout. At this moment, that's $15. If we get a bearish breakout first, then it's $12.5 that we need to break above. And then I will buy. All right, so that's, I think, what you need to know and the current situation of ACE. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you want to know exactly when I'm going to trade ACE, consider joining my Signal group. It's profitable. It's I hope at least very educational as well. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.